Hello students. In our today's EVS 1 session, we will be writing notes of lesson number 2, Motions of the Earth. In the textbook, first we will write fill in the blanks. What's the solution? Use your brain power. What is meant by each of the following terms? And answer the following questions. Before we begin with the notes, students, you are supposed to write these notes in EVS 1 notebook with neat and legible handwriting without any spelling mistake. First, in the index you will write serial number, date, lesson number, name of the lesson as shown on the screen. Now, let's begin with the notes. Lesson number 2, Motions of the Earth. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First one, the motion of the earth around itself is called rotation. Second, the motion of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Third, the rotation of the earth gives rise to day and night. Fourth, the moon is the satellite of the earth. Question number 2. What's the solution? First one. Amit wants to take his granny to Australia, which is in the southern hemisphere. But she cannot bear very cold weather. When should they make this trip? Answer. Amit's granny can be taken to Australia during 23rd September to 22nd March, since during this period there is summer. Question number 3. Use your brain power. First one. How many rotations does the earth complete during one revolution around the sun? Answer. The earth completes 365 days and 1/4 day. It means the earth shows 365 and 1/4 rotations during one revolution around the sun. Second, it is the sunrise at Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh. Write the names of the following cities in the order in which the sun will rise there. Mumbai in Maharashtra, Kolkata in West Bengal, Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, and Nagpur in Maharashtra. Answer. The earth rotates from west to east. Therefore, there would be sunrise in the eastern states earlier. First, Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh. Second, Kolkata in West Bengal. Third, Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. And fourth, Mumbai in Maharashtra. Question number 4. What is meant by each of the following terms? First, full moon. When the complete and round moon is seen in the sky, it is known as full moon. Second, new moon. When the moon is not visible in the sky, it is known as new moon. Third, lunar month. The period of 28 to 30 days from one new moon to the next new moon is called a lunar month. Fourth one, Tithi. Every day in the lunar month is called Tithi. Question number 5. Answer the following questions. First one. What is the equator? Answer. An imaginary circle present between the north and the south pole is called the equator. Second, what are the two parts of the earth made by the equator? Answer. The northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere are the two parts made by the equator. Now students, here are some extra questions which you will continue after question number 5. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First one. The revolution of the earth gives rise to the cycle of seasons. Second, from the new moon to the full moon, the period is called the waxing moon. Third, from the full moon to the new moon, the period is called the waning moon. Fourth one, in a leap year, there are 366 days. Fifth one, the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. Sixth one, the imaginary line around which the earth rotates is called the axis. Question number 2, what is meant by? First one, waxing moon. It takes 40 to 15 days from new moon to full moon. This is called the fortnight of the waxing moon. Second, waning moon. It takes 14 to 15 days from full moon to new moon. This is the fourth night of the waning moon. Third, a day. The period of time that the earth takes to complete one rotation is called a day. Fourth, leap year. It has 366 days in a year and February has 29 days. Fifth one, an hour. For the purpose of measuring time, we divide the whole day into 24 parts, each of which is called an hour. Sixth, a year. The period of time the earth takes to complete one revolution around the sun is called 1 year. So students, here we end with our today's EVS 1 session. We will meet in our next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.